In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another easily. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure you have all the information you need to transfer your contacts seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and log into the Gmail account that currently holds the contacts you wish to transfer. This is your source account, where all your contacts are already stored. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to Google Contacts. To do this, click on the small 9-dot grid icon at the top right corner of your Gmail page, often referred to as the Google Apps menu. From there, select Contacts. This will take you to a page displaying all your current contacts. Now that you're on the Google Contacts page, look for the Export option. You'll typically find this on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and a window will pop up asking you to select which contacts you'd like to export. You have options here. You can choose to export all of them or just a specific group. For most people, selecting all contacts is the easiest option. However, if you only need certain contacts, go ahead and select the specific group you're interested in. Once you've made your choice, make sure the export format is set to Google CSV. This format is important because it's compatible with importing back into another Gmail account. Hit the Export button to download the contacts file to your computer. With the file now safely saved on your computer, go ahead and log out of the source Gmail account and log into the destination Gmail account, which is the account you want to transfer these contacts to. Again, head over to Google Contacts via the Google Apps menu, just like before. Once you're there, find that Import feature this time. It's usually close to where you found Export in the side menu. Clicking Import will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Choose the Google CSV file you just exported. Simply click Open, and then Import. As the file uploads, you should see an indicator showing the process has started. Once completed, your contacts will be successfully added to your new Gmail account. It's a smooth and automatic process, but do take a moment to look through the contacts to make sure everything has transferred correctly. And there you have it. You've easily transferred your contacts from one Gmail account to another. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos.